Yep.
Well, there's the exhaust pipe. That's the best way right there.
Yeah. I love you.
Okay?
Yep.
Pretty soon, pretty soon.
Are you going somewhere?